dope, get you pop, pop. On my son, bitch, I'm the shit. It don't stop, stop. This shit hot, hot. Ain't no thought. You are.
Hey y'all, so we are back today with another video. The last video, I hope you guys watched it. I did a thrift flip of a tapestry blanket into a long sleeve shirt, like sweater type shirt. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked that video. If you didn't see that video, make sure that you go check it out. I will link it down in the description below. Also, today's video, we are actually going to be doing a thrift flip again, but this time I want to do like a little spin, like a little bit of spice, you know. So my plan today is to I always have the glasses on. I'd be looking crazy, and like you can see it in the glasses, so let me take those off. Okay, so for this video, I went to a wheel spinner generator, and I put in all the DIYs that I want to do. Like, I'm gonna do them all, but let's see which one I do first, because that's the like hard part, deciding which one to do. So I'll just have a spinner decide it for me, right? So we're gonna put all these things. So I have a list of like all these things I want to do. I put them on the little generator, it put it in the wheel, and then all we have to do is just spin it. So I'm gonna put that on the screen, like probably right here, like right here somewhere, so that you guys can see the spin. I'm recording my screen so you guys can see this. So yeah, so let's get started. So I am on the site, and all you have to do is like a little, like you're gonna see it on screen, a little spin. So I'm just gonna click that. See it spinning. Ooh, yes. So I got, well, I don't know why I keep showing, I'm putting it on the screen. Trendy Planters. So I seen a video. So yeah, for that, so since I got Trendy Planters, I've been seeing a lot of them on Pinterest, like on my on Instagram, like even on TikTok sometimes, and like I just like screenshot a lot of my favorite ones. And yeah, so now we're gonna do that. So we're gonna go to a thrift store, and we're gonna go to Home Depot because I don't have plants, so I gotta get some plants and some like soil, stuff like that. Yeah, see if I can become a plant mom this year, because I've had a plant for over 2 years and that mug is dead now. I mean, it's not dead, it's still got some green left, but it's a very low maintenance plant, so that's why I've had it so long, because I barely water it. This beautiful planter, I can't set up. I need some planter so I can set up. Oh, this is to put those little plants in. This is a beautiful planter, but $20. What is this? Why? Why is this $20? Well, this is the thrift store.
Oh yes.
This could work as the thing for spraying that stuff on it. I think it's deep enough, or I don't know. See, look at this. So ghetto. So ghetto. So we are here at freaking, you guys know this store, Home Depot. Oh, this one's pretty, but will I keep this alive is the question. I don't want nothing I can't keep alive. I'll get some. I just need a small bag. I only got a little bit. These little ones here. I found the Gap stuff. I got 4 little plants. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna get this one. So I am back. Ooh, Hand sanitizer got me. Yeah. Okay, so basically, since this is already a basketball, and I already made a DIY video on how to make the basketball little handles, I'm just gonna freaking cut this off. So, here it is. I have pliers, but I like it. So, I feel like it needs to be like this or something. Let's try it like that. Right. So let's put in, yeah, I'm pretty sure I need to put a hole. I mean, I see a hole. Okay, I'm not really good at, not really good. Good thing I have a lot of windows, so now we just gonna repot this. I was kind of nervous. Okay, pops right off there. Pops right off. Can I just do this? Do I have to like take it out? Yeah, I'd be able to just do it like this. I don't want to take it out. And now I don't like how that looks. I'm scared to repot. You know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. This is not that great. This is not fun. I don't like this process. I have dirt all over my carpet. Okay. So then I just, oh my gosh, okay. Should I have done this? It's not what I wanted to do. See this, just want to right in here, and I got a hook, so freaking next. I'll go in the pot anyways. Both in there. I see it. Oh, this is a file. I didn't grab one, so I'm just gonna do it this way. Just hey y'all, I just want to let y'all know that the process that I'm showing did not work for me. It fell over. So what did work for me is when I laid it on the side, let it dry on one side, and then flipped it over after it dried, and then did another spray on the side that I needed to complete and let that dry. That worked for me. This did not, okay? We gotta wait for this to dry. So I was supposed to shake it first. Didn't know that. Okay.